This video will show you how to insert a current limiter into the power circuit of a Matsana M3 or M4 machine to fix the sticking on-off button. Parts are, we'll need a current limiter, which I'm sending you, a zip tie, and a wire nut somewhere. Here we are. And you'll need these tools. You'll need a pair of wire cutters, a number 1 or number 2 Phillips, and a wire stripper. First thing to do is to loosen the 3 screws of this cable holding a black wire, white wire, and a green wire on the third terminal. Do those, white wire, and the green wire. The black wire you're going to pull out, and you're going to cut the terminal off of it. I already stripped this wire, so just wanted to go through the motion so you can see what's involved. But that wire is stripped, ready for the wire nut. Pull the white wire and the green wires out so that the end of this cable is loose. So you have a little more flexibility to work with wire strippers or anything else. So now that this wire is stripped and ready to go, we take our current limiter, get the bare end, and slip it through a loop made by a wire tie in the corner of the power supply. That one through, and this one. There we go. So take the bare end, you get the black wire with the bare end, and put the 2 bare ends together. And then twist them together. Install your wire nut over your twisted pair and screw it down onto the wire, holding the wires at the base and screwing the wire nut on until it gets tight. Significant resistance. Okay, then you're going to take the terminal end of the current limiter and slip it onto the L terminal, which is here. Making sure that the black wire from the ballast is firmly seated underneath the wire from the current limiter. And screw those 2 down. Test them. Good and snug. And next to it goes the white wire onto the N terminal. The terminals are labeled here on the power side. On the power supply, there's L, N, and this is the ground symbol. So the white wire goes to the N terminal, and the green ground wire goes to the ground terminal. Screw it down. Then with your current limiter zip tied to the power supply, cinch up the zip tie, trim it, and make sure that the current limiter is just hanging out here in free space because it can get quite hot during operation. And that's it.